How to hide a page in Webflow. So here I've just logged into my Webflow account and I've clicked on Open in Designer here, which has loaded up my Webflow website. If we want to hide a page, we'll simply navigate to the Pages section here from the left hand side and then hover over the page which we want hidden. For example, let's do this contact page here. Once we hover over it, you will see this cogwheel here on the right, and once selected, it will load up all of the page settings here. If we want to hide this specific page, I'll simply click on the down arrow next to save, and we will choose this option to save as draft. Once we hover over it, you will be able to read that drafts will not be published or indexed by search engines. So if we click on save here as draft, then this will successfully hide the page from our Webflow website. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.